Scenes witnessed at Keumbu Market along Kisii Keroka Road on Friday evening.
We would like to talk about an unfortunate incident that occurred in Keumbu Market. Keumbu Market is known to be a place where our people sell their farm produce. And it is known nationally that anybody coming to Kisii has to stop at Keumbu to do their purchase of this fresh farm produce. Unfortunately, while we were coming from Kisii town heading to Keroka, which was to be our final destination, we were ambushed by young, well-coordinated people, and most embarrassingly, a good number of them were respectable people whom we respect, called ladies. They were pelting stones, they had sticks, which were uniform, meaning that the sticks were bought and procured and supplied by the same person. Since then, we've seen statements from the Member of Parliament of Nyaribari Church, Zahir Janda, trying to distance himself while nobody had put him close to the scene, therefore making him as guilty as it can get. We also did see the governor of Kisii County going around talking about that it is us who had goons who are fighting people all the way from Kisii town. Well, we do not doubt your level of IQ. That was completely suspending it. We would like to condemn that act in the strongest terms possible. The police who were there aiding and abetting this unfortunate event should also be condemned. We've seen the report by the DCI spokesperson saying that they've arrested 3 and the further investigations are going on. Which investigations?
We want to inform our opponents that political competition should really be about ideas. We know what Linda Mwananchi wishes to do for the country. We want to manage the debt of this country, which forces the government every year to increase taxes on ordinary Mwananchi at a time when the cost of living is far out of the control of many homes. Linda Mwananchi wants to stand for democratic space.